Today I'm going to be reviewing the YANTU A22 Cordless Tyre Inflator. It costs £107 on Amazon UK. A big thank you for YANTU for sending this to me to review. So let's see what you get. It comes with a nice blue carry case with two zip compartments, one for the tyre inflator and one for the accessories. First is the inflator hose pipe, air nozzle adapters, French, needle and conical, 12-volt cigarette lighter power cord, USB Type-C cord for charging, instructions and the tyre inflator itself. It's a nice looking unit and looks fairly easy to use. Right, let's try it out. So let's see what this is like. I've got the cord here and the actual inflator. So we're going to connect the inflator on this side like so, and connect like that. Place that in here, and then we're going to take this side, take the nozzle off here, cap off, and then insert this to here, so there we go, nice and secure. And then we'll turn the machine on this side, like that. It tells us it's 29, if you can see that, 29, and we want it on 32, so we're going to up this to 32, and now we're ready to start it. There we go, that's done. You can see it's nice and quick, easy to use, yeah. Very happy. Now, if you didn't have any charge in the thing, of course you can plug this into your 12-volt socket in your car, start your engine, and then you can then use this as a cord, a normal inflator as well. However, you can charge it with the USB cable, and that will also, and then it's a cordless one. So you've got the option of both, which is really useful. Overall, I'm very impressed with this tyre inflator. It does a good job. It's easy to use, and having the option of using it as a cord or a cordless one is very useful.